Hello dear students, I hope all are ready with LaTeX equipped machine. I have seen an interesting quote on documentation. It is, documentation is a love letter that you write to your future self. So, since it is a love letter, it should be crafted, right? The aesthetic matters. In this class, we will see more examples of simple typesetting. In that, you can see how the positioning of text is done, what is font, how we can manage the typefaces, etc. So, let's go to classroom. In order to create PDF with LaTeX, the user must generate a text file, .tx file. The text file will consist of the code that is compiled by the backend LaTeX software to generate the end result PDF document. Commands are the vital structure for creating any kind of document in LaTeX. Every text file begins with the document class. We have already learned that. This is the first statement in any .tx file. And the document class consists of optional part and a mandatory part. We will explore this in the coming episode. Our contents are placed between the begin and end document of the text file. Between these, we place our contents. A LaTeX document consists of two main pieces, the preamble and the body. The preamble is the first section of the input file. The preamble is the first section of the input file. So this particular portion is preamble. Before the beginning of our document. Here you can add more commands in this preamble section. So here you tell the LaTeX the type of document and other information LaTeX will need to format the document correctly. Here in this simple document I am using a command /use package xcolor. This is a command, it tells the compiler that include a package xcolor. If we go to the other part of this document, we can see that here I am using another command called color /color. In order to use this command /color command, I need this particular package. So the instruction to execute /color is predefinedly given in xcolor package. So packages are used to supplement the standard feature of LaTeX. This is source file and this is output file. If you are trying to use a command and find it is generating an error, one of the most common issues in that you have not included the needed package in your document. During the development of a LaTeX document, you have to include a number of packages according to your requirement. Here in this document, we are seeing only one package. Packages should be placed in the document preamble. If you would like to include multiple packages in your document, you can either include the /use package command multiple times or use it once and separate each package name with a comma. We will see another example. So this is a simple LaTeX file. Here I am simply printing academic typesetting using LaTeX in blue color. We can see number of commands here. First one is /use package and another command is /color. Since I gave /color blue, the text printed is in blue color. And another command is /huge. See this? The letter is printed in huge typeface. Now let us see another simple source file. Here we can see a number of packages. Xcolor is there, then blind text is there, tcolor box, graphics. We are not going to give details of these different packages. According to your requirement, you can explore different packages. Almost all packages are downloaded from CTAN. We have already learned what is CTAN server and all. If we closely look at this output file, we can see that here I have two boxes. in the first box, I am giving course code 21 MCA, your course code of this course. Then after that, in another box with black background, academic typesetting using LaTeX. It is printed in white color. And after that, another box. The header of that box is course information, followed by that two other sentences are printed. Now see, this is the structure, this is the output file. Now let us see what is the code required to generate this output. In the preamble section, this is the preamble section, we have given the required packages. Before the beginning of document, you might not be able to give all the packages. What we have to do is you simply keep on adding the commands, search in the internet, and while adding the command, while compiling the file, you will understand if there is an error. You will understand that certain packages are not available. At that time, you can include packages over here. So here we can see /color blue, and this is an environment. I am opening this environment. After that, within begin T color box, I am giving a box here. This is the beginning of T color box and it ends here. So this piece of code is used to create a color box over here. There are some other options. Background color is black, and the title attribute is given course code. Value of title attribute is course code. So this course code 21 MCA0C will be printed over here. And title, this is the title part. Background of the title is yellow color. So we can see the background of title is yellow in color, and title of the color is blue. So it is printed accordingly. After that, this is our main part. This is the box which we are going to type, and this part is the title of that box. And here I am setting the color as white. Then again we are using the same command which we used before, /huge academic typesetting using LaTeX. So it is printed accordingly within this box. Okay, so how do I get this color blue command? From this XColor package. Then how do I get this T color box? From this T color box. So according to your requirement, you have to include a number of packages, as I said before. Now after that, another environment, again another color box, T color box with the different parameters. Here background of this box is red, and like this particular box, here also we have title. The title given is course introduction, outer arc 0 mm, color, upper color is white, and another text, a simple 2-3 sentences are given here. This topic introduces the learner to LaTeX, its installation and all. So it is printed in white color within this red colored box. Okay, so here what we have learned is the preamble part. We are including number of different packages. Then 2-3 commands are also studied here. /color, 1 or 2 important packages are also you can familiarize here. Graphics, T color, blind text and all. One more option is there. Without giving /use package every time for each package, you can do one thing. You can add each packages by giving commas over here. So graphics, comma, T color box, comma. After that you can close the braces. That will also work. This is another example. Here a simple document is given, and at the bottom part the segment of PDF output is also shown. We have seen that to typeset something in LaTeX, we type in the text to be typeset together with some LaTeX codes, LaTeX commands. The word must be placed by spaces. It does not matter how many spaces come in between different words. Here within knowledge and is, I can add 2, 3 or 4 spaces. That doesn't matter. In the source code part it can happen like that, but the output will be neatly formatted. The number of lines in the source code may not be equal to the number of lines in the output file. The LaTeX system will neatly format the entire code. Let us see another simple example. Here you can see 3 or 4 paragraphs in this document. How will you get a paragraph? The end of a paragraph is specified by a blank line in the input. In other words, whenever you want to start a new paragraph, just leave a blank line and proceed. For example, here we can see 4 paragraphs. What I did is I placed 2 lines between different paragraphs. So the system will understand that these are different paragraphs. And in the first example, we also seen that each paragraph starts with a space by leaving a space from the margin. This is known as indentation from the left margin to the text. If you do not want this indentation, you can add no indent command at the start of this code. If you place a no indent command here before the term knowledge, what happens is this space will be taken off. We have already seen that in the previous example, so I'm not going to repeat that piece of code here. I will show you another interesting command over here. See the second paragraph again. The term knowledge can refer to a theoretical or practical understanding. Here, knowledge is given in inverted comma or single quotes, not inverted comma, single quotes. How you achieved such a code here? Using LQ command, left quote /LQ, then right quote RQ command. What happens if I simply put double quotes here? It may not be in proper format. See this part. As we proceed to the paragraph, the philosopher Plato argued that there was a distinction between knowledge and true belief in the theatres, and like that. See, once you reach this sentence, justified true belief, definition of knowledge, justified true belief. This is a simple copy paste from Wikipedia about knowledge, justified true belief. How it appears here? This code is not proper, right? Justified true belief. So it is better not to place double quotes or single quotes directly. You can use different codes for that, specific code for that, like this. See, if you want double quotes, you can use this command /LQ twice. So you will, this is a proper way. So see, this is justified true belief knowledge. It is printed in a neat manner. Double quotes. I achieved this by giving /LQ. After that, I placed that sentence, is justified true belief knowledge, question mark, then /RQ. RQ means right quote. So we can achieve a neat code over here. This is another command. This is about another command. A single dash character in the input produces a hyphen in the output. But if we are using 2 dashes, it produces a longer dash in the output file. And if you are using 3 dash, it produces longest dash in the output. See this example. This is the source file, x hyphen rays. X rays are discussed in pages 21 hyphen 2 dash placed here of volume 3, the volume of electromagnetic waves. Let's see the output. X rays, only 1 slash here, 1 hyphen is there. Then 221 to 225. This is a long hyphen. So it produces a longer dash. After that, here I use 3 dash. So volume 3, the volume of electromagnetic waves, here I got a longest dash. So according to the number of slash dash you used in the source, this dash can be in different size. Coming to accents, sometimes, especially when typing foreign words in English, we need to put different types of accents over the letters. Here this table shows the accents available in LaTeX. Each column show some of the accents and the inputs to generate them. This is an example for that. See this piece of code. I copied it from Wikipedia. This is about Paulo Coelho, and see, this is the actual pronunciation of his name, and we can see this kind of characters in different context, blog and Wikipedia and all. But if I copy and paste it directly, I may not get the actual characters here. See this K, there is a single quote before that. I don't know how to read this, but it is not appeared over here. So the system didn't render these punctuations or accents properly over here. But if we want to use this kind of accents in letter, you can use any of these character. See a simple modification here. Here in this Paulo Coelho, this part here, for this P, I use this particular symbol. See this slash single quote P in braces. So in the output part it appeared accordingly, Paulo, and after that U, I have used this particular symbol slash single quote within these braces. So a change in the rendering happens, but you cannot see that over here because I simply copied from the Wikipedia and placed over here without using any special symbol for non-English characters. So if your document requires characters like this, you can use this particular code. So this is basically, if you require this particular output, you have to use this code. So if your output should be like this, you can use this code in LaTeX source file. That is the meaning. Now coming to reserved special characters, we have seen that the input slash LaTeX produces a special kind of output slash LaTeX in the output, and a slash this character produces a space. In previous examples, we have seen that the command slash LaTeX produces output like a special format, LaTeX in special format. Likewise, if we use slash text, we will get output accordingly to indicate the program that what follows is not text to be typeset, but an instruction to be carried out. So instead of giving symbol LaTeX, if we are giving slash LaTeX, the compiler will understand that this is not a simple text, it is a command. So if we want to get slash as it is in your output, what we have to give then? Then we have to use a command for that. If we give slash in the source file, the system will understand that that is a beginning of a command. But what if we want slash itself in your output? Then you can give slash text backslash. So there are some other special reserved characters also, but these are tilde, hash, dollar, percentage, all these different characters. So these are part of LaTeX command. If you want to print these characters as it is, you can use special instructions for that. Here you can see that except for the three commands, this one, and this one, all others are produced easily by preceding them with a slash. So if you want to print hash, just to provide slash before hash, then it will be printed as it is. Of the exceptional three, we have seen that slash tilde, this one, and slash cap are used for producing accents. So this is a table, it gives the inputs of special characters. Now let us see how lines are produced in a LaTeX file. See, this is a symbol, another symbol example. Here this is the source file. After begin document, I am giving three or four different sentences. So this is the first line, and this is the output of this code. This is the first line, and it is printed as it is. But after that, in the second line of the source code, another line, this is not second line, is given. So in the source code it is in the second line, but in the output it is printed along with the first line. So in the first line itself, this is also printed. And after that, I placed two backslash. In this line itself, I provided another sentence. This is actual second line. What happens in the output? It is printed as second line in the output. See this. So in order to produce a line in the output, you can give double slash. See the last line. This third line is far away from second. How it is printed? It is taking some more distance between these two lines, some more space between these two lines. Why? Because here I have provided an optional argument /16 pt to increase the vertical distance between the lines. So this 16 pt, 16 point, is an argument to this particular command. Because of that, the third line, this is third line far away from second, is printed like this. Hello dear friends, today we have seen some of the important commands for typesetting the LaTeX document. So try to explore yourself, prepare a document yourself and apply these different commands and make your document accordingly. Okay dears, see you in the next class.